Good morning or good afternoon, Chargers. It is test day. I'm going to walk you through your test. You may now flip over your test, write your name at the top, but then put your pencil down. Okay? Write your name at the top and now put your pencil down. All right, pencils down. Let's take a look at this. Number 1 and number 2 are going to be fill in the blank. So put a word in those blanks. Number 3 is multiple choice. Number 4, let's take a look at this. As promised, it says draw a diagram of the rain shadow effect. Use at least 3 text boxes to explain the steps. So you're going to start by drawing a beautiful picture in here. Remember, the rain shadow effect always needs at least 3 main elements. So make sure those 3 main elements are in there. And then use 3 text boxes to show what's happening at the beginning, the end, and the middle of the rain shadow effect. Please draw neatly and write neatly in your text boxes. All right. Number 5 is multiple choice. Turn the page. Number 6 is multiple choice. 7, multiple choice. Number 8. Let's take a look at number 8. Number 8 says monsoons with a colon behind it. That means I need a definition of the word monsoon. So you don't have to write that in complete sentences. You can just give me a definition behind it. Pick up your pencil and draw an arrow from number 9 to number 10. Just draw an arrow. Now put your pencil down. Those 2 questions go together. So number 1 says, what's the climate, or 9 says, what's the climate zone of Sioux Falls, South Dakota? And you can go ahead and choose which climate zone that is. Then it says, what are some characteristics of this zone? This has lines, so that means that it needs to be in complete sentences. Capital letter, some characteristics are, list them behind there, and then end with a period. So number 9 and number 10 go together. Number 11 also has lines. That means you have to write in complete sentences. Many of you learned the hard lesson last time that you lost points just for not writing in a complete sentence. Don't do that. Make sure your pencil's down. We're following along here. All right, number 12, multiple choice. 13, you're going to fill in the blank here. Turn the page. 14. All right, you may pick up your pencil. I'd like you to underline the word and there. Okay, now put your pencil down. Underline the word and, put your pencil down. You're going to define culture trait and you're going to give an example of culture traits. So you're going to use one sentence. Culture traits are, okay, and then give a definition of it, and then give me 3 examples, capital letters and periods. 15, multiple choice. 16, multiple choice. 17 is true, false. So you're just going to circle if it's true or circle if it's false. Number 18 is list the 5 basic social institutions. Okay, we came up with kind of a funny word to help you with that. Number 19, you may pick up your pencil and underline the word list and this should say give. List and give an example. Put your pencil down. So list the 3 ways cultures creatively express themselves and then give an example of how they do that in that category. Okay. 20, fill in the blank. 21, true, false. 22, true, false. 23, multiple choice. Let's take a look at 24 and 25. You're going to list push factors, things that push migrants away from the country, and then pull factors, things that pull people to migrate to a certain country. Number 26, if you look carefully at number 26, there are 3 questions in that. So make sure you answer, what was the potato famine, not farming, famine in Ireland? What was the outcome? What happened because of this famine in the country of Ireland? And how did that impact the United States? So make sure you answer all of those in complete sentence. And you can combine them, but make sure that they are all addressed. And here's my Christmas gift to you is a word bank. Here are the 6 words that you acted out with our charades game, and you're going to match them with their definition there. All right. And then 2 diagrams. Number 33 says the above drawing shows a blank settlement pattern. So what spatial pattern do you see there? Usually grouped along the length of a resource. Same thing for number 34. This drawing shows a blank settlement pattern. These are laid out purposely for transportation reasons in urban areas. All right. What's terrace farming? That has lines behind it, so make sure you write in complete sentences. And then you have multiple choices, another true, false, and then you end with a multiple choice. Finally, when you are done with all the Module 2 and Module 3 information, I have 2 bonus questions there to see if you knuckleheads remember anything we learned from Module 1. So you can answer those for extra credit points. Okay? Keep your pencil down. When you are done, you're going to flip your test over, push it to the head of your table, and then you may work on other work. And Mrs. Hof will come around and pick up your tests as they are done. Please, Chargers, take your time. Write neatly, write well, and do your best. All right, good luck. You've got this.